go. What do you think about the stereotypes in hip-hop and in general the females?
I say that there's kind of like a label substance on the females. Like Ice Life was saying on the True to Life mixtape, I think every female should be acknowledged as an MC, not so much as putting a gender on it, like playing any role of hip hop, whether it's poetry, spoken word, entrepreneur, any type of part of hip hop would be labeled as such. Because I don't think the women get more exposure or more props for what they do like the men. So I say give more women more exposure, the same amount of exposure as men. So we both play a role in hip hop. So it's anybody's game. So definitely.
All right, thank you very much.